Hey there, riders. Welcome to my channel. I'm Will Rider. That's right. I'm just decided to go ahead and use my first name. No, I'm not the porn star Will Rider with a Y. And I'm not the, how'd the person phrase it? Oh, the drag king Will Rider. With the same spelling. Yeah, I just decided to go with it. Well, I'm a writer. My first name's Will. Let's go with that. That means the logo change will be coming up in effect, but in the meantime, you're going to see the logo of Wild Rider. So, with that said, that's going to be one of the changes to the channel. Another change to the channel is also going to be the content in which I have on there. Usually I go with motorcycle related content, but I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit more content on there. Stuff in which I take interest in. Might involve guns, might involve RVs, might involve trucks, might involve, maybe books, video games, various other things. Yeah, so the channel is going to be branching out in a little bit more in order to have content filled out for various things. Yeah, it's something which I've been mulling over for some time, in which it's like just limiting yourself to that. Let's go in with the motorcycle lifestyle. It's like, let's expand out a little bit more. Go with something a little bit more out there. Have a specialized niche in certain things, in which will be a guarantee on video at least once a month or twice a month. And then a couple of videos related to other things. Well, right now it's winter here in Michigan. And still got the garage project in which I got to work on. Looks like it's going to cost me, for me to be able to do it, $400 to $500. That's pretty much the update for this video. Maybe some... Oh, where's that dude again? Dogs alert me more than what I do looking out the window. Now! What, Riley? Oh, jeez. You gotta sit up here now. You seen a stranger and you gotta sit up here. You gotta sit up here, you little good boy. Oh, you got a good boy. Show the people your butt. Show the people your butt. Look at the butt. Look at the butt. Well, I guess with that said... Well, I guess with that said, I'm going to conclude this video. Be safe out there. As always, I'm Will Rider, and I'll see you in the next video. Who's your good boy? Who's your good boy?